Presenting a pre-owned 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLB. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 14,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.